DOLV currently at 0.325. What a gap down here that we see going on. Yesterday was a beautiful move off this one. I didn't even see that one coming. Also didn't see that volume coming into this one that we did see on the 6th. And I said over here on the 5th, hold, might be pulling down to fill the gap. I thought it was going to be pulling down some more here to fill this gap down here. I mean, it didn't happen. I can't say unfortunately, but unfortunately I was wrong. And I will always admit it if I'm wrong, and I was wrong here. What happened here is with these gaps, guys, look at the gap here. It came down and filled. We looked at this one over here. I thought it was going to continue to come back down to that 20-day. Unfortunately, I was wrong. It was going to be bouncing off that 20-day simple moving average, which is exactly what we've seen here, coming down this 20-day, and it did end up bouncing really nicely off of that. What you guys are seeing going on here, let's focus what's up right now, and I can kind of fill you in on what you see happen here. So yesterday, to kind of lay this out to you guys come down to this 20-day simple moving average. Yesterday, you guys had a beautiful move off of it. All the buzz starts talking. All the people start talking about this one. All the new people are, oh, I want to check this one out. And all the buying interest starts going in, so they start marking up the price, and it opens up much higher, which is what you've seen here. Now what ended up happening is that now you guys formed a big gap here because this candle is up here and more than likely kept going. But what ended up happening is it pulled down to fill that gap. And that is what you're seeing going on today. You guys gapped up. You guys are pulling back down. If you're not sure how these gaps work, take a look on YouTube. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. You'll understand exactly how these gap ups work. And like I said, unfortunately, that's what's going on right now. Starting to pull back down now off of that gap. Could it turn around? Absolutely, it can turn around. But I would just go ahead and let it wait here for another day or so. You see what happens here when it gaps up. It pulls down back down to that 10-day simple moving average. The same exact setup happened right here. Again, unfortunately, I did not call this one accurately coming off the 20-day simple moving average, but all you guys that follow us know I tried very hard to keep it between about 80 and 90% call rate. And we did not get that here. I'll go ahead and let it chill because remember, I want you to remember this. Even though you had a big move here, it can come down just as quick and it could go up just as quick. When you have these big candles like this, for all we know is that this thing could pull down to 0.246 today and close. And then Monday open up at 0.246 and go up right back up to that 0.4 area. It could very well happen. I see it all the time. But for now, I'm just going to put this one on a hold again and just let it chill down. I mean, off this gap up, you're not going to really be going to many other places.
I don't know, Dave, an 80% call rate, man, it's just not good enough. You got to improve on that one. All right, so with these guys right here, I'm seeing they had 1, 2, 3 quarterly reports, an attorney letter, an annual report. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 submissions over there on OTC markets for like quarterlies on March 21st, and then there was an attorney letter on March 22nd. The attorney letters with respect to current information. But I'm still seeing the stop sign with pink no information over there, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But I mean, I see all the reports up there, so I guess time will tell on that one. Also on yesterday there was a press release, and it was Dolat Ventures acquired by China-based battery manufacturer. So Dolat Ventures Incorporated announces recent corporate developments. The control of the company was acquired by Mr. Dequin Wang on January 11, 2017, pursuant to an agreement that was entered into on December 2nd, 2016. On that date, Mr. Wang acquired 300,000 shares of the company's Class C preferred stock, which is convertible into 750 million shares of the company's common stock and carries an equal number of votes. Incorporation announced authorizing the preferred stock. The company also acquired all of the issued and outstanding shares of Jiming Yang Amperex Technology Limited. It's Jiming Yang, a Chinese corporation, in exchange for 100,000 Class D preferred stock convertible into 100 million shares of the company's common stock. Subject to FINRA approval, the company will reflect the new business combination by changing its name to JB and ZJMY Holding Company Incorporated and seeking a new symbol. So let's see about the Jingmeng Jingming Yang Amperex Technology Limited. They were founded in March of 2015. Yingmang Yang focuses on development of batteries for new energy vehicles. The company possesses a number of patents seeking to enhance and extend battery life, while also reduce operating costs. The company seeks to commercialize solutions to the problems faced by all vehicle battery manufacturers, such as storage and battery life expenses, expensive materials, and charging station issues. As part of the acquisition, the company will be offering to current and future employees based in the People's Republic of China the opportunity to purchase new JB and ZJMY common stock units for 10 cents. That's 10 cents US dollar per share, with one warrant attached, exercisable for 2 years at 15 cents US dollars, for a total of 10 million units pursuant to a Regulation S offering on a best efforts basis expiring on January 17, 2017. So the company intends to file consolidated financial statements reflecting the acquisition during the next 2 weeks. We thank our shareholders for our interest in the company and patience while we bring our filings current. So, yep, they are bringing the filings current. They got this thing right here. So obviously there's a lot to look forward to and to look into and do due diligence on. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence, just go right over to that DOLV board on Investors Hangout. From there, you see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Dolat Ventures board on Investors Hangout.
0310, hold gap is filling, and might go sideways for a few days. Support at 0304, 0190, 0125, resistance at 0480. Could that turn around? Sure. But I really don't foresee a close higher above 0333, in my personal opinion. Joe, were you going to add something?
No.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I do have a comment. I mean, I think they should probably consider the name, that they're planning on renaming their company to. Kind of doesn't really have a nice ring to it. The JB and ZJMJ, like, I'm invested into this. You know what I mean? It's like difficult. Keep it simple. That's all.
Well,
I guess that's my opinion.
Hopefully,
but you know what they say. You know what they say about opinions, though. So
what do they say about opinions?
They're like an opinion is like I forget right now. Opinions are like assholes. Everyone has one. Whatnot.
All right.
Something like that.
Okay, well, like I said with DOLV, I mean, if you look back on how many videos we've called this one accurately on, unfortunately, the big one here, I missed coming off that 20-day simple moving average. But like I said, I wouldn't foresee a close today above 0333, in my opinion. I still think that gap's going to fill. It might go sideways for a few days, but then again, it could just bounce off of that. Coming Monday, DOLV, if you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards. We'd appreciate it very much. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with this hot stock and all the others. And if you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us as well, let us know at investorshangout.com/live.